Alicia, and normally I'm blogging about Microsoft Dynamics D365 Finance and Supply Chain. Today, however, I want to talk to you about Copilot. And part of why I want to talk to you about Copilot is Microsoft is putting Copilot, which is AI, throughout Word, Excel, Teams, and so on. And it's making its way into Microsoft Dynamics D365 Finance and Supply Chain. So I've been playing with it a bit. I am by no means an expert on Copilot, but as I'm learning things, I want to bring them to you because I think the tools and the skills that we're learning with Copilot are eventually going to help us in Microsoft Dynamics D365 Finance and Supply Chain. So I want to show you a little trick that I learned recently about Copilot that may help you when you're in Word. It may also help you in some other areas as well. But I want to bring this up because I thought it was kind of cool. It's not terribly intuitive. So unless you happen to know this trick, you may not even think to try it. Again, Copilot is there to help us work smarter, not harder. Copilot's supposed to come alongside of us and be our helper as we do our work. So as you think about that, you need to think about how you can actually tap into Copilot to maybe simplify some of your daily tasks. So I have Word open on one side of my screen, and I have my Windows Explorer open, my File Explorer open on the other side of my screen. And I've done that on purpose because I'm going to show you something in regards to files and how you can actually reference a file inside of Word. So one of the things too I want to point out, you'll notice in my ribbon inside of Word, I do have Copilot. You may not have that. Copilot is not free, so you may or may not have the it in your existing Microsoft Office suite. If you don't have it, then that's something that you could certainly talk to your administrator about and potentially get access to that. So I do want you to see what it looks like. It shows up here. The other thing too, whenever you open Word, let's see, I've got to scroll over to the right here. You'll notice that you have this little icon when you open a Word document. It's just there by default. So if you want to use Copilot, you can either hit the little button in your ribbon at the top, or you can hit the little icon that shows up on your screen. So what I'm going to do is I have lots of user guides, so I'm just going to kind of reference one of these just to show you as an example. But let's say for an example, we want to summarize something regarding tax. So I'm going to go here down to some of my tax user guides. And let's say, for example, let's just do this one. I'm randomly picking this, so I don't know what I'm going to get either. I'm going to actually put this in my copy, and I'll show you why. So I just clicked on that to get the name. So let's just click on our little icon here, Copilot, and we're going to say summarize. Okay, now here's where the trick comes in. If I want to point to that file, what I do is I hit the /. Okay, so once I'm here, it's going to pop up like the last three things that I opened, but that's probably not what I want. In fact, I want something called tax, right? So now it's going to start filtering, but I have lots of files named tax. So how do I know which one I want? So that's why I put that in my copy. So here, if I just paste that, it knows specifically which file I want. So the / and then the file name, or you can start typing part of the file name and it'll try to find it. But you'll notice it only shows about 3 files at a time. So I'm going to pick that, and then I just click generate. And I really don't know what's in this document. I mean, I wrote it probably a long time ago, but it's going to go through there and it's going to summarize what's in that document. So let's see what it does. All right, so now I'm going to make this big so we can see it. So this is going through and giving us a summary of what's in that original document. So it's pretty good here. All right, and now I have the option of saying, okay, I want to keep it, or I could go right here and I could say summarize into 100 words. Oops. And then I just hit the arrow here. It's going to take all that data that I have in here right now, and it's going to summarize that down to 100 words. So the point of this exercise today is one, I'm trying to encourage you to get curious about Copilot, because I also am trying to become more and more curious about it. But really the ticket or the little nugget of truth today is using that / and then the file name. And so here you can see that I pointed to another file, it's pulled it in, and now it's giving me a summary with 100 words. So I hope you find this helpful, and I hope you get really curious about it. And as I learn more tips and tricks, I'll be sharing them with you too.